Hoi allemaal, hi everybody. Today it's all about glazing. Day 4 of the painter. I start with the skin tones. The skin tone of the painter with a burnt sienna and a white, titanium white, a blue one, and a glazing medium. I use this medium of Winsor & Newton, the Liquid Original, to speed up the drying time between the glaze layers. And then it needs to dry. When I take a break from painting, whether it's for a few hours or longer for a day, I always make sure to keep it from drying out. I use a disposable plastic sheet and place it over my palette. This simple step helps keep the paint fresh, so when I come back, I can pick up right where I left off, without having to remix my colors. It's such an easy way to save time and paint.